Up another level to 4A with the Rigby Trojans taking on Bishop Kelly, as we're supposed to have those highlights. There we go. The Trojan fans out there in full force as they are excited. Here we go. Hayden Landon begins the championship by driving in for the layup, draws the foul and one. That's a three-point play. Rigby looking good early on, but then the Knights battle back. Bronson King going up for three from outside, splash down. This one was all tied up. But wait, Nick Houston answers from outside. A three ball. He drains it. And the Trojans keeping the lead in the second quarter. Then Tyler Allenbaugh gets a steal, an easy bucket. Bishop Kelly closing the huge gap in the title race. But then the Trojans, they just want it more. Garrett Brolum drives in, dumps it underneath the Braden Boyce. And the Trojans were 12 and 17 in free throws. That's what wins championships from the charity stripe. That gives them the championship title. Rigby takes the 4A crown 54-48.
We went through almost anything possible that you can throw at us. With the foul trouble, the turnovers, the momentum swing, and we weathered it. We kept our composure. The panic button was very close, but nobody went over and hit the panic button. And we came together, and it was good for our team to really dig down and fight and finish it.